In this video, I'm going to show you how to bypass the Windows 11 requirement for TPM, RAM, and SecureBoot checks that prevent Windows 11 being run as a virtual machine. I'm using VMware in this case, but you could use any hypervisor that you want. I'm going to go ahead and fire up this virtual machine, show you the issue that we're presented with. So we've got Windows 11 ISO that we're booting from. When you go to install the operating system, you choose the version of operating system you want to install, and you go ahead and hit next, and you're presented with this screen. This shows you do not meet the requirements. Windows 11 requires that you have TPM and SecureBoot check. Now you can add a TPM module, and which does require that you have to encrypt the virtual machine in VMware. Because I'm using ESXI host in this case, that's the free version, I don't have the ability to do that. If you were using hypervisor locally like VMware Fusion or something else, you could potentially encrypt that virtual machine and add the TPM module. So in order to do this on the version I'm running, I'm going to hit Shift F10, open up regedit, and go to the H key local machine system setup. I'm going to create a new key for lab config, and then inside of that lab config folder I'm going to create a new D word, and I'm going to call this bypass TPM check. Double click on that and set the value to 1, and repeat that step a couple more times. Another D word called bypass RAM check. Set that value to 1 as well. And then the third one I'm going to put in here is a D word for bypass SecureBoot check. Set the value to 1 there. After done this, I can exit the registry and close there. Then I can select my version of Windows, accept the agreement, set my partitions, and I go ahead and hit next, and it begins copying my operating system. And that concludes this tutorial. Hope you found it helpful, and we'll see you on the next one.